Hello, welcome to another video. In this video, you've asked about how to create, how to upload using FTP software all your files into your domain, and then to activate and set them up. I have tried basically to get all your FTP login details basically, and so far because I got so many orders, I have to go through the messages, and the orders are in different places and messages they are in different places. So basically looking after all of them, it just takes so much time. So what I've done in this case is I have used my own login to my own FTP basically, just to show you that how it does it work. So here it is. Normally it goes ftp.yourdomainname.com, and then it goes just the username and then a password. This is provided from your web host. Whenever you order for the first time your web host, it takes 12 hours up to 24 hours, it depends on the hosting, for them to send all details on the email you have registered hosting for the first time. This is how they do it anyway. And then once you got these details, basically you can just go and click on quick connect. So then it's just going to take a while to connect, and it says successfully has been connected. So that's how it's connected. Some bear in mind, some softwares, basically some web hosts, they may be it depends on how you ask them. You may have extra security, which means only the person with that IP which has registered on the first place, that can log in using other softwares. Example, if you got your web hosting and your IP is registered with them, and you have asked for special access, only you can have access, nobody else, then basically if I try to log in, I may have some issue with that, and then it will just come an error because it won't allow me to connect with a different IP address. However, that's why sometimes I have to ask a couple of times just to make sure that I'm having that. So if you got that problem, you can just click on Site Manager, and I don't want to go there. Site Manager, okay, and then just click on only use plain FTP secure. Basically you can put your domain name in there, username, password, and then just click on connect, and automatically will connect. It's like in a back door, which is still connects with the FTP, but will use some special features as well. So in this case, let's say you have a domain as I have, onepoundservice.com, and you can have so many subdomain under main domain, which means subdomains are let's say onepoundservice.com/games, onepoundservice.com/news. So that means you can have so many domains under so many subdomains, I'm sorry, under your main domain. This is how they call it. So I put it online dating example under my main domain, and then you got so many others. However, the one you're going to look at once you log in using FTP is the W content. That's the one you're going to click on. So when you click on W content, then you have two options which you need to really have a look at that without going anywhere else. One is it says to you to upload plugins, and another one themes. I mean, I'm gonna have to have a look at myself because somehow it's been deleted from here, but it says plugins and it says themes. Now any template you have, straight away you upload it into themes. Uploading it's easy. Basically, let's say I'm gonna go and just grab this nice zone theme. You open like that, and then you click on that. If you see the files this way, then just click back, and then you drag and drop this one into themes. First you have to click on the themes, or let me just say in this case I'm going to click on plugins, and just grabbing and I'm just going to grab this plugin. I'm not going to upload it, however I'm just showing. So go like that, see, you go themes, and then you have a plugins as well. It must be this one. Yeah, okay. So then what I can do is, as far as this one, it says theme, it means the template you upload it, I'm sorry, to uh, themes. If it's a plugin, you upload it into plugins. So this is how it works. WordPress has two kind of things. One is it has the interface, which is, it means the theme itself, the look of your blog website. And plugins is like a car engine, basically. You know, a car is like a theme because the face of the automobile. But when it comes to the plugins, it's all the tools inside the car. Plugins makes things work within WordPress. It's so many activation stuff, so much you know, things which they work within WordPress. That's how it is. So if you got them ready, basically, then what you do is you go and you log in into WordPress blog. First of all, this is what you do. Using the FTP software is great because it saves you so much time. Instead of going manually, example, appearance, theme, and then you click on add new theme, and then you have to add these themes. Basically, you have to upload them manually by browsing. You go and you find your theme and then you upload it. Most of the themes, I have to say, probably 40 to 60% of the themes, they get error when you try to upload them through the WordPress, same way as I'm doing right now. So that's why I use this software. Using this software is sort of bypass this kind of error, and then straight away it comes in a proper way. So once you upload into FTP, then next step is, as I mentioned to you, you go up here and then you can click on themes. So you go themes and you have a plugins. If you have installed any plugin, you go to installed plugins and then you can activate it. If you have installed themes, then basically just go in and have a look at the theme, the name of the theme you have just uploaded, and then you click on activate. Once you activate, then it will show up on up here, and then you can customize it. You can go into a widget and add you know, advertisement, whatever. And many times many themes, they have theme settings in here. So when you click on theme settings, they may have there to change the color, to change your logo, to change your background, to install advertisement, Google Analytics, and everything else. Basically it will have in there. But these themes, many of them, they are premium. That's why they have that option. Like this example, Super Sense. When we click on that, it's got all this option, how to basically change the icon, how to add your you know, logo and everything else, style of the template, colors, and you can even change this color. Just put, if you go to they call it a JavaScript wheel color color code, I think, code. Yeah, so let's go up here, and now let's say I'm gonna choose red, this one in here. And if you look at it, the color for the red is this. So we just grab your copy, come to Super Sense, and then you paste it right here like that, and then click on save. When you click on save, automatically the background of the theme is going to change into red. Only the background I'm talking about. Example, right here, sorry, here and here, all the way up here is going to change on red, and up here it will show all white, normal as it is right now. So this is just extra feature if you want to do it anyway. But this is how it works with WordPress. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and explain to you how to create a blog. First of all, if you have a Google account, it's easy. Any Google account is no problem. So what you do is you log in first of all in that account, and then you just type in Blogger. You don't need more anyway. So it says blogger.com. That's the one you're gonna need to go. Now in here you can create blogs for free. This is the blogs I have created. Each of them is kind of a website in itself. If you can view it, this is just a demo I think I've created. You can view another blog. This is a different blog. and I have even installed games in here for kids and stuff like that. And then we can go like this on and on, you know, each of them they are blogs. So basically you can create so many blogs in here. So what you do is just click on new blog, you put a title. I'm just gonna go test blog, and then the address, you have to choose address to match your niche. So test blog 101, I'm just gonna go like that, and I'm gonna check if it's available. If it's not, it's gonna bring a question, what's going to bring up here to show us, you know, that that is not available. So we need to view basically check mark. So let's go 100, just like that, because I don't really need to use this one, but I just want to show you. Then you can click on create a blog. Once you create a blog, this is the blog, test blog. Now if you click this arrow in here, it says overview. You can view the blog if you want to. You can post and go and post on that blog. You can create a pages if you want, same as the WordPress blog. Comments, you can check all comments and stuff, Google Plus and the rest, you know, it go. The most important is layout and template. You go directly into coding, and you can change few things around, example URL, links, images, whatever you can change in there. And settings is settings for the blog. If you don't want people to comment in your blog, if you want to stop few things, if you want to make some changes. But layout is the most important. So let's just say I'm going to click on layout. This is your layout. So now if you want to put a code in here or the advertisement or something, you just click on add a gadget, and it's got all these gadgets in here. So let's say I'm going to click on HTML JavaScript, and then if you have a Google advertisement, you paste in here the code, and then you click on save. Once you click on save, it's going to come up somewhere in here. So you can drag and drop above the post, below the post, at top, just on the menu on the right hand side. It depends what type of theme you have. If you have a look on a Google, just type in blogger templates. You don't need to add anything else, just blogger templates, and there's so many templates there are. If you click one of them, have a look in here, there's so many templates. So let's say I'm gonna download this one. I like this particular template, I'm just saying, and then I'm gonna download it. So let's save it on a desktop. Okay, disconnect. Now this is the template we're gonna open, and we need XML file. This is the XML file. So what we do, we drag and drop in desktop, and you can delete, you know, the entire template, just the XML file we need. So right click, open with, and I'm just gonna go with a notepad, I don't need anymore. Let's just copy all the link, go to your blogger template. Now we're gonna click on templates. You got dummy templates basically from Google, which I don't like them because they are very simple. And click on edit HTML. This is here all the code anyway. Let's paste this code. We need to select first everything, because instead of deleting, I can click on delete now, but I don't need, since I copied the other template, I can just paste and then click on save. Now since it's saved, click again on layout, and we just need to refresh just to make sure you know it's been uploaded. Now click on save, and let's just go and view it. And if we view, here is the new theme now. See, it's amazing. I mean, here is the new theme now, and in this theme you can make so many changes. This is the layout anyway. Right now it's so simple, you know, because I just got it. However, you can have it depends on the theme. You can have a left and right hand side as well of widgets which you can add the code or whatever you like. That's how it works anyway. So this is all about the blog. I mean, blog, if I start talking about blog, to be honest with you, it may take me something 1.5 or 2 hours just to explain every single thing which is around the blog. However, I more wanted to go into design, explain how you can create a blog yourself. To start posting, example, it's easy, it just says new post, so you click on that, and then you add compose. If you go HTML, you click on HTML, then you paste the code. If you want to compose something, it's easy, you put the title, this is description, images and everything. Here is the images you can upload, you can add into your post, you can add videos, you can add even games if you want. I mean, you go see live videos if you want, or you can just embed video from YouTube. Whatever you like, you can do in here. Resize the text, make it bold, change the color of the text, make it linkable. This is the link example. I'm gonna go one website and then just highlight that, click on link, HTTP always starts. I'm gonna link this text anyway, www £1 service.com, and then once I click on you can choose open this link in a new window, or just click on OK, and then once I click, they go directly to the website. So, and then publish it. It's going to ask me, do I want to share it in Google Plus? Not for at the moment, and let's go and view it. So when you view the post, since this theme is show as it is right now, is not showing the post demo. I need the title, demo link. Okay, update, view. I think it got frozen a little bit at the moment. I don't know. I'm having some problem with my laptop. I think it's full up with so many files and stuff, so I'm gonna have to stop it for now. But that's how it works anyway. So it's not something such a big deal with the blog. It's easy to work with. If you got any question here, let me know, then I'll try to reply back. Thanks for that, and thanks for all your order and everything you've done, man. You great person. Thank you so much.